I'm going to go to Start Me Up, which is the preset, and I'm going to pull the output gain down. These CLA compressors, I don't know if he turned the output gain up just so it would sound better instantly, or if that's how much you're supposed to compress it, how much he wants you to push into it so that the output gain is right. Regardless, I'm going to pull the output gain down just a little bit. And I'm going to pull the peak reduction all the way down. So now we're just going through the circuitry, and I'm going to bypass it and unbypass it to make sure that we're not getting a false reading of just loudness, okay? Okay, it's about right. So now I'm just going to start sneaking this peak reduction up until we start to probably about 2 dB of compression, and it'll make the acoustic guitar stand out in the mix just a little bit more. Okay, so to get the full result of that, we're using the Lindell, and now we're using the CLA. I don't know if you can tell that or not, but what happened was there's really not a lot of gain being added to it when we just run through the CLA. But when we add just a little bit of compression to it, even though we're not adding any gain to it, it made it actually sit further forward in the mix.